Greetings, welcome to my kitchen. I have my stackable washer and dryer right here. I'm about to dye some clothing, give it a whole new look, a nice rosy look. I'm gonna try out rose quartz. It's basically an experiment, and I don't think I can go wrong with the pale pink. I'm gonna fill up the washing machine with hot water, put all the clothing in. I'm gonna show you first all the clothing that I'm about to dye. This little ivory tank top, ivory colored cargo pants from Abercrombie Fitch. This is an Abercrombie Fitch athletic top. This is a little sleep top. This is an old hand-me-down sweater from best friend Meredith. Thanks, Mare. From American Eagle, my little ivory tank top with lace trim on the bottom. And lastly, this sweet little summer dress. This is my little girl's dress. And she loves pink. That's one of her favorite colors. So we're gonna dye this rose quartz. That will all be soaking wet in the hot water, and then right when it starts to agitate, I'm gonna add my rose quartz dye, and then I'm gonna sit back and keep my fingers crossed. So I filled it up, put the clothes in, the clothes were soaking wet, and then I dumped in the rose quartz dye. My kimchi blue tank top from Urban Outfitters. This is really interesting. The satin lining right here on the inside of the pants, it didn't take the rose quartz dye at all. It stayed ivory. But the rest of it turned this nice, beautiful, pale pink. That athletic top from Abercrombie Fitch. Here's my super old, comfortable sleep tank top. Not looking so boring now. Instead of boring ivory, it's now this beautiful rose quartz color. My incredibly boring ivory tank top from American Eagle is now not so boring. Remember, this dress was white. And I love that all of the colored embroidery on it remained the same. None of that got changed. So now she's ready to rock in her pink dress. Huge success with rose quartz. I'm really happy with all the different shades that everything turned out. Ensconced in pink, just the way my little girl likes it. As always, thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye. Who knew? Who knew?